Hello viewers, today we'll be having our 2026 chemistry practical. Firstly, we'll be having our titration, which is the quantitative analysis. I'll be doing my titration right away. After that, then we'll have our salt analysis, which is the lead carbonate mixed with the starch. So I will be mixing these two together to carry out the salt analysis. And here is my titration. This is my this is my tetraoxosulfuric acid, and this one is my sodium hydroxide for the titration. So we are going to be putting this tetraoxosulfuric acid in the burette. Then we will use our pipette. This is our pipette. We'll use it to suck this base. Then add 2 or 3 drops of the indicator. Then you titrate it together to get your endpoint. Join us as we proceed. So for the titration, this is our burette, then this is my pipette. Then you can either use this pipette pump. You have this pipette pump. Instead of we don't it is not advisable for students to use their mouth to suck the base or to pipette the base. No. What they do, either you use this. This is this pipette pump, or you use this, which is the pipette bulb. So I'm using the pipette bulb. So I use this pipette bulb. I don't know, I just prefer the pipette bulb. So then this is my pipette bulb. So this is our iodine for salt analysis. So we'll do this salt analysis. Then this is my white tie so that the endpoint can be visible on time. So this is, you can detect the color change on time. This is the white tie. Then this is the red dot stamp. So then what do I do next? So this is my acid. So you have to wash and rinse the burette and pipette. I've done that already. So you okay. Make sure you remove your pipette. Let me make it up so. Make sure you remove your funnel after filling the acid into the burette. Make sure you remove the funnel. So put off here. Make sure it's at 0. Then you take the lower meniscus. Okay, this is 0. You take the lower meniscus. Take the lower meniscus. Then after that, you okay. This is my B. This is my B for okay. This is outside. This is my B. Then you put some here. That's okay. So okay, we are there. So carefully transfer it here.